Challenger are feuding again.
Then you and I'll go alone.
Remember what Chip Halala said. We're stronger when the six are all together. We have to bring them with us. Spewing. What's somebody doing in this joint?
That rich patron of his, Countess something? The one who funded the Summer Institute. Insisted in her will that the museum be set up on her estate. And there it is.
Well, lucky old Summerley. You don't suppose he and the Countess were,
Summerly?
No, I suppose not. Very nice.
Good morning.
Summerley's done all right for himself.
However he did it.
Like the man himself. Now remember, get him to agree first. Then we can mention shouts.
Please, Mr. Malone.
Professor, you look well.
I'm gratified you finally found your way to my helpful institute. I did send you both invitations to the opening last spring. Let me show you around. Follow me, Count.
Sorry about the opening, but we just couldn't make it last spring. We were in America, covering the election. Jenny did a photo portrait of President Wilson.
Oh, so you two are
Partners.
peculiar things, American elections. Then I have something here that you should see. This should be a language that is familiar to you.
So good to see you,
Me, Shane.
I'm afraid this isn't just a social visit, Susan. We received this macabre pass of all places. And it's urgent.
We hoped you would join us.
My duties here do keep me rather busy. I don't know.
But you took the vow to return just like the rest of us. Think about it, Professor. All of those amazing prehistoric animals, the last of their kind, they're in great danger.
Alright, so now that we have the motor out, I actually grabbed one of my other cars because I didn't want to, whenever I do this, I try to use a junk ESC instead of using one of my good ones, just because you are putting something electrical in water when you do this. But this is how I've always cleaned my brushless motors, and it always works awesome. Now after I'm done with this, I will take like a Lucas, what I use is Lucas gun oil. I use that on a lot of RC car stuff, or I'll use WD-40. Sometimes I use both. A lot of times with motors, I'll use WD-40 and then the oil, just to keep everything nice and lubricated and waterproof in there. So I'm going to go ahead and power this up. Now it does still work. Like it's smoked twice now when I was doing videos and caught fire, and I don't know if it's something inside there, like a stink bug maybe crawled in there, or something got in there, or if it's something with the motor. But either way, we're going to clean it and see what happens. So it does still work. See if we can get it smoking here on camera again. Either way, we'll clean it. So what I do is I just dunk it down in there. And turn it on. And I'll run this forward and backwards quite a few times. It does make a mess, so be prepared for that. Listen to the difference in it. See, there it is smoking again. Clean it some more. I'll give you guys a better view here. You can see all the black chunks that came out of there. That's all stuff that was in the motor. Well, there you go. That's how you clean it. Now I'll put some WD-40 and some Lucas gun oil in there, and maybe do a little bit of scrub in there just to make it look pretty, and then we'll put it back together.
Too much. She must go to that church. Seems to work good to me. Well, there you have it. A little bit of water, a little bit of time, and that motor's running good as new. I figured I'd do an outro to this video, something a little new, and we're gonna do it in the garage here. Don't mind it, it's a little cluttered right now, but I wanted to show you another upcoming thing that I'm gonna do. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss out on this.
So I dug this out at my mom's the other day, and what we have here is all my childhood RC cars. We have a Black Wolf, we have some old Tychos. So I can't show you. That's for another video. If you're not subscribed yet, you better subscribe if you want to see that stuff. Beyond that, we got this here in the garage now, the old 67 Black Betty. I'm gonna be doing some videos on this coming up. What do we got under there? Oh, is that a big block? Oh yeah, big block Ford, baby. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on all my future content, because I got a lot of stuff coming, I'm telling you. It's only gonna get better. All right, well, this is Wingnut. Thanks for watching. Peace.